Hey there, welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk Today. Today we're exploring a super exciting topic, how drones are revolutionizing the oil and gas industry. Yep, those flying gadgets are doing way more than just capturing cool aerial shots. Let's get into it. So what exactly are drones? Well, they're also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. Basically, they're flying robots that can be controlled remotely or fly autonomously using software. And guess what? They're becoming a game changer in the oil and gas sector. First up, let's talk about pipeline inspection. Imagine having to check miles and miles of pipelines for leaks or damage. Sounds exhausting, right? Drones make this job a breeze. Equipped with advanced sensors like infrared cameras, they can detect thermal anomalies. That's just a fancy way of saying they spot unusual heat patterns that might indicate a leak. This early detection helps prevent environmental disasters and keeps the pipelines in top shape. Next, we have environmental monitoring. Drones can carry multispectral and hyperspectral cameras. Think of these as super high-tech eyes that can see beyond what our human eyes can. They help monitor soil health, vegetation, and water quality around drilling sites. This data ensures companies follow environmental regulations and minimize their impact on nature. In emergencies like oil spills, drones are real lifesavers. They provide rapid assessment and real-time data, helping emergency teams make quick decisions on how to contain the spill. Plus, they keep humans out of harm's way by reducing exposure to hazardous conditions. Security is another biggie. Drones patrol vast oil fields and pipelines, equipped with high-definition cameras and night vision. They can spot unauthorized activities or potential security breaches, sending real-time visuals to security teams for swift action. And let's not forget data collection and analysis. Drones gather tons of data using sensors like LiDAR and multispectral cameras. This data is then processed to create detailed 3D models and geological insights, guiding better decision-making in reservoir management and drilling techniques. Now, creating the perfect drone control application is crucial. It involves careful planning, designing an easy-to-use interface, and ensuring it meets all safety protocols. Features like real-time video streaming, geolocation, and autonomous flight modes make the application super effective. So there you have it. Drones are not just cool gadgets. They're transforming the oil and gas industry by making operations safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk today. Stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next episode.